Hey guys, hey YouTube, how you doing? We're gonna be doing a video today about sharpening my hedge clippers, my hedge shears, hedge cutters. These are the steel. We did cut these to shorten them. They're usually long, but this one we shortened. Jason Gardner has a YouTube channel that explains to you how to do that. I thought I was the only one that did these, but came to find out Jason's got a whole video and everything. So you go check his page out, and he's got it going right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean these up. I'm not gonna disassemble them. These were disassembled later on in the season last year for a repair that needed to be done. They are fairly clean, so we're gonna clean them up. Yeah, we'll clean them up, sharpen them up, show you how I do it. And that's it. Here we go. Okay, so here we go. We'll get started by cleaning them off. Use a cone brush on a die grinder. Alright, so they're pretty clean. What I'm going to do now is going to turn the drive shaft so that we're all on one side here, like that. Okay, so that we have all this side we can sharpen at once. And we're going to switch over to my reversible die grinder. Okay. I set it up. Now what I have is I have a roll lock pad. What I have is a roll lock pad on a reversible die grinder. I have an 80 grit disc on top. Hopefully that's focusing. 80 grit disc on top. It's reversible, so it goes clockwise and counterclockwise, and that's imperative when we're sharpening these things. And I'm going to tell you why. So when we're doing this sharpening on these, you always want to be going towards the bottom of the blade, towards the bottom of the blade. If you go upwards towards that corner, you're going to end up in trouble. And I'm going to tell you why. You're going to end up in trouble because it's going to catch in there and it's going to tear this blade apart. So you always want to be going down away from that. Okay? Here we go. So let's see, check the direction that we're going. Going the wrong direction, so we turn it over, turn it. Now you want to get it one grind from the bottom to the top. You don't want to round it over. Again, you gotta turn the blade rotation. Always turn the blade rotation. And that's that. Now you just go around and do all of them that way. We can turn these around. Okay, so this is what we come up with. I think we can kind of agree that it didn't come out too bad. Like I said before, one of the most important parts of doing this is that reversible die grinder. Without the reversible die grinder, you can do it. I used to do it that way. It's doable. It's not out of the realm of possibility, but I would definitely invest in the reversible one. All right, guys. All right, guys. All done with that, nice and cleaned up, nice and sharpened. There's other ways of doing it, I'm sure. You can use a file. You could use a, you can take them apart to do them. I do take them apart to clean them. I do take them apart to, inspect and make sure everything is okay. But I do put them back together again to sharpen. It just seems like they stay together better. It's just a better way of doing it. So, to each their own, do it the way you want to do it. And I'll be talking to you soon. Thanks, guys. See you later. Bye.